Good day everyone. In this video we're going to learn about solving equation with a variable on both sides. In the previous video that we only solved equations in one side. So in this one we're going to solve now for equations that the variable is on both sides. Okay, let's do some example. Example number 1. If we have 3 over 8 minus 1 over 4x equal to 1 over 2x minus 3 over 4. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to find first the LCD, or the least common denominator of all these. We have fractions, so we have the 8, 4, and 2. So therefore, the least common denominator of 8, 4, and 2 is 8. So therefore, we have to multiply now both sides by 8. The result is we have 3 minus 2x equal to 4x minus 6. Then after that one, we have to combine now negative 4 and 6 because both of them have the same variable x. Okay, so we will make this one move there, so the 4 will move there, and then the 3 will go into the coefficient side. Therefore, we will have now negative 4x minus 2x equal to negative 6 minus 3. Negative 4x minus 2x, we get negative 6x equal to negative 9. And after that, divide both sides by negative 6. So x now is equals to 9 over 6. Because negative divided by negative becomes positive, and then simplify it more further to make it 3 over 2. Now the value of x is equals to 3 over 2. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 5x plus 4 equal to 7 times x plus 1 minus 2x. So we have operations, we have to multiply first, or we have to distribute first the value of 7. So we will get now 5x plus 4 equals to 7x plus 7 minus 2x. Then after that, we have to solve now for 7x minus 2x. So 5x plus 4 equals to 5x. And then here, because 7x minus 5x is equals to 5x, or minus 2x plus 7. Then we will get now as 5x minus 5x equal to 7 minus 4. So here, since in this we have equation that 4, okay, is not equal to 7, so we will get now the equation will have no solution. So because here 5x minus 5x becomes 0, so therefore in this we have example, this equation, okay, the equation as we have no solution. Another example. For example, we have 6x plus 7 equal to 8x minus 13. Okay, here, the best thing you can do is just combine all the values with variable, the same variable, and then after that you have to combine as well the coefficients. So therefore we will have now 6x minus 8x equal to negative 13 minus 7. So we will have now as negative 2x equal to negative 20. So negative x. So both now we will divide by negative 2. So therefore both sides negative by 2, negative 2. X now is equals to positive 10. So when we are going to check that, so using the same formula, okay, so you substitute the value of x equals to 10. So 6 times 10 plus 7 equal to 8 times 10 minus 13. So therefore we will have 60 plus 7 equals to 80 minus 13. 67 is equals to 67. So therefore the value of x is correct. So this one is our solution. So we have x is equals to 10. Okay, another example. If we have 3x minus 2 over 5 equal to 7 over 10. So we can do cross multiplication, or the same as we can find the LCD of this number. So we can do now cross multiplication. So therefore we will have 10 times 3x minus 2 equal to 5 times 7. So therefore we will get now 30x minus 20 equal to 35. Next, 30x equal to 35 plus 20. And then after that, next we will have 30x equal to 55. X is equals to 55 over 30. Or we can simply, we have simplified that one as 1 5 over 6. Okay, so if the value of the x can be simplified further into a fraction or into a mixed fraction or into a decimal place, then you have to simplify it more further. Let's try some equations. Equation involving two variables. For example, we have to solve negative 5x plus y equal to negative 56. So what will we do here so that we can solve the value of x and y? So you are looking for the value of x. So we are looking for what is x and what is y. Okay, first thing we will do is we have to do solving equation by substitution. So meaning you have to form an equation, you have to form another equation so that you can solve for this equation. So first thing we will do is we have to add now both sides by 5x. So therefore, so that we can make now find y through x. Okay, but we have to solve now this equation, and then we eliminate, we have 5x here. So therefore we will have now y is equals to negative 56 plus 5x. So this one is our first equation. This one now will be our second equation. And then use the second equation to substitute to the first equation. So therefore what will happen is negative 5x plus y equal to negative 56. And then we have to substitute the value of y into this form. So therefore we will have negative 5x plus, plus the value of y, which is negative 56. So negative 56 plus 5x equal to negative 56. Okay, so the next one we will have now as Okay, so therefore in this case we have negative 5x plus negative 56 plus positive 5x equals to negative 56. So therefore the value of x is 0 because negative 5x and we have 5x here will become 0 and negative 56 will be moved there. So therefore x is equals to 0. And then if x is equals to 0, therefore the value of y is negative 56. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much and